I am a welding instructor for Eastern Iowa Community Colleges. I've been here since 2016. I got into welding just because I love seeing and being able to create things and build things. The welding field has a lot of opportunity, especially right now, just because of the job needs for it, especially in our community. You can come in here to Eastern Iowa Community Colleges, get a quick certificate, and then get out into the workforce. Our program here offers different certificates and diplomas ranging from 16 weeks all the way up to a year. We start with the basic foundation. We work with the students and really start building their muscle memories and their skill sets. In the MIG welding process, TIG, flux, oxyacetylene, stick welding, and oxyacetylene flame cutting as well. Depending on what kind of welding process you are learning, the skill sets do transfer through all of them. As you go through the course, your skill sets are growing just because we're getting a little bit harder and harder in each step that we take. Our students are getting jobs in fabrication, production welding, and in automation. So the welding field offers a lot of career choices for the students, and being able to help that foundation and allow them to get those skill sets is very rewarding.